Equivalent fractions using number chips. This one is football themed, and it starts on slide 2. So one way to find equivalent fractions is to simplify. Simplify means you're going to divide the numerator and denominator by a common factor. And you want to divide to the point where you cannot divide it down anymore, and then it's simplified. So on slide 3, students are going to simplify these fractions using these number chips. So all of the numbers they need are on every slide. So if you get down to the last problem and the numbers aren't working, they know they've made an error somewhere. So the first one, if you divide the numerator and denominator by 2, you get 9/10. So to move these chips, you just click and hold on the edge, and then you can move them where you like. The next one, divide the numerator and denominator by 9, and you get 3/4, and so on. And they need to use every number on each screen. So they're going to do the same thing on the next slide, and the same thing on slide 5. When they get to slide 6, they're shown how to change a fraction greater than 1 to a mixed number. So they're just going to divide. 5 goes into 24 4 times. That gives you the whole number. And 5 times 4 is 20, so that means there's 4 left over, 4/5. The denominator stays the same. So they're going to be doing that on the next slide. So 16/5, 5 goes into 16 3 times. So they're going to click and hold on the edge of a 3. There's your whole number. 3 times 5 is 15, so that means there's 1 left over. Denominator doesn't change, it stays the same. And so on with the rest of these problems. Now they're shown how to change a mixed number down to a single fraction. So to do that, they multiply the denominator times the whole number, add the numerator. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 1 is 36. And again, the denominator stays the same. So they're going to be doing that on the next slide. When they get to the final slide, now they're giving letter chips instead of numbers, and they're going to solve this football riddle. Why can't you play football with pigs? And they have to figure out the riddle using all of these letters. So that is equivalent fractions with number chips, football themed.